Got that all primered in. Yeah, I did a spray can of primer. It's just primer. And then got the trunk primered in, quarter primed in. Roof and a pillar. This was just to, coat the Bondo, so don't think it was the last coat of primer. We're gonna need a lot more coats. That was just to coat in the Bondo so I could sand it. You see where I have to fill it. It's just easier to see where you gotta fill when it's primed. So if I gotta fill it again, I'll fill it, sand it, smooth it, and then I gotta prime the whole car. So but that'll be out of a gun, that won't be out of a spray can, I'm hoping. So like this needs sanded down, sanded just a little bit. Some of this is good. This needs a little filler. Like here, nothing major. Sanded, just to get wet sanded. Everything that needs sanded can get sanded in the wet sanding. So I'm just worried about the filling in it in. Like this side, just wet sand it. It'll smooth out everything. Boom. Yep. So, like I said, I'm gonna have to hit this with primer. But like all this high stuff will get wet sanded. So that's no biggie. I'm about to mix up some Bondo and I'm probably gonna start working on that hood, or I might finish this trunk, finish that quarter, or then do that door. We'll see. I'll catch you guys in a second. Can definitely save this fender and the hood, obviously. Door, actually, what I'm doing next is the door, and then all this stuff. So I'm gonna do the back end and the door next. And my dad wants to try to weld something on here and pop this out. So that's next too. But this is gonna be really, really nice to do. Get rid of all this nasty stuff. Get these stickers off of here. And it pulled some of the paint. Yep, pulling the paint. Just pull all the paint off, it's okay. We don't need that paint anyways, right? good. I figured this would come off really nice, but it's not. But it's also been on there for 20 something years. It's been on here for like 28 years. And it was whoever did this paint job, they just threw paint on there. One coat. That's all you need. One coat of good old black paint. See if this side's nicer. Their paint underneath the sticker wasn't even a mirror. That tells you how they painted this. Alright, be back when I'm doing Bondo. Look how satisfying if I don't break it. This thing is becoming a mess inside. Look at all this. All my supplies. Ugh. Alright, time to pull her in. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. I mean, I'm going to be doing this car. I'm doing it almost every day. I'm going to be uploading every other day. So I uploaded Monday. I'll be uploading Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday. So it's going to be off schedule like every other week, but I will be uploading every other day. Sometimes I might upload every day. So we'll be uploading every other day, like I said. So, you know, if you like this, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.